Hello everybody. In this video I am explaining class 7th chapter 2nd Nutrition in Animals book exercises. If you have not seen explanation of this chapter part 1 and part 2, please see that. The link is given in description. I have written the answers so that you can understand this chapter properly, the answers properly. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. A. The main steps of nutrition in humans are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. B part. The largest gland is the human body is liver. C. The stomach release hydrochloric acid and digestive juices which act on food. D part. The inner wall of the small intestine has many finger-like outgrowth called villi. E. Amoeba digests its food in the food vacuoles. Question number 2. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. A. Digestion of starch starts in the stomach. It's false. The tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. It's true. The gallbladder temporarily store bile. True. D part. The ruminants bring back solid grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. True. Question number 3. Tick mark the correct answer in the each of the following. Fat is completely digested in the stomach, mouth, small intestine, large intestine. It's digested in small intestine. B part. Water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the stomach, food pipe, small intestine, large intestine. It's absorbed in large intestine. Question number 4. Match the items of column 1 with those given in column 2. In column 1, food components are written, and in column 2, the product of digestion is written. We have to match them. Carbohydrate. What is the product of carbohydrate? It's sugar. Carbohydrate matched to sugar. Proteins, amino acids. Fats, fatty acids and cholesterol. What are villi? What is their location and functions? Villi are the outgrowing of small intestine. They are thousand in numbers. These villi increases the surface area for absorption of the digested food. Each villus has a network of thin and small blood vessels close to its surface. The surface of the villi absorbs the digested food material. Question number 6. Where is the bile produced? The bile is produced in liver. Which component of the food does it help to digest it? The fat component of food helps to digest by bile juices. Okay, question number 7. Name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by the ruminants but not by humans. Give the reason also. Glucose is a type of carbohydrate that can be digested by the ruminants but not by human, because in the rumen of ruminants bacteria are present which helps in the digestion of cellulose, whereas in humans these bacteria are not present. Question number 8. Why do we get instant energy from glucose? We get instant energy from glucose because glucose is a simpler sugar and easily absorbed by blood vessels and gives instant energy. Question number 9. Which part of the digestive canal is involved in absorption of food? Absorption is food absorption involved in small intestine. Chewing of food, buccal cavity by mouth or teeth. Killing of bacteria, stomach. Complete digestion of food, small intestine. Formation of feces, large intestine. Question number 10. Write one similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and human beings. Answer is number 1 similarities. Amoeba and humans both require energy for the growth and maintenance of their body by utilizing food. Differences. In human beings, digestion takes place in different regions like buccal cavity, stomach, small intestine, etc. This long process is done in alimentary canal. Whereas in amoeba, digestion takes place in food vacuole only. Question number 11. Match the items of column 1 with suitable item in column 2. Salivary gland. Salivary gland is related to saliva secretion. B. Stomach. Stomach is related to acid release. C. Liver. Liver is related to bile juices secretion. D. Rectum. Rectum is related to storage of undigested food. E. Small intestine is related to digestion is completed. Large intestine, absorption of water. Question number 12. Label figure 2.11 of the digestive system. ये figure दिया है आपको, you have to label it. First one, this part is stomach. ये part आपका stomach है. It is attached to esophagus. This pipe is esophagus. This is gallbladder. Here is liver also. Liver is not shown in this figure. This is liver. This is gallbladder. Now, it's common bile duct which connected to small intestine. This is pancreas. It's a gland. Secreted pancreatic juices. This is large intestine. It's small intestine. This is rectum and this end is anus. Thank you. That's all for today. This time I will come with my next video soon with next chapter. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.